Hey, so I heard from a lot of you guys that it can be frustrating to work on group projects, and I totally relate. It's hard to track which group mate is going to do which part and which of the parts are finished or not finished. Luckily, Max makes group work, project management a lot easier. So I'll demonstrate here by creating my group project here. So let's say I'm in this entrepreneurship class and I have this group project here with my group mate Kevin. So I've created this main task and now I can start delegating parts of the group project using subtasks here, and I'll label each subtask with the name of the group member who owns that part. And we can also use this notes portion here to write each other some updates and to keep track of some research and links and stuff. Also, we can add a due date so that Max can send all of the group members some reminders about locking in on the group project. And this is really useful so that you guys don't have to keep pestering each other, and you can count on Max to be the deadline manager instead. Now for the most important part, to get all the group members on this task, just press the share button on the top right and invite your group mates via email. Now once I've sent Kevin the invite to this task, he can accept the invite and he'll be able to access all parts of the task as well. He can check off the subtasks that he's finished to keep us updated, and he can also add notes to the notes portion or to the description portion. So if managing and working on group project stuff makes you frustrated, give Max's sharing features a try. Hope this video was helpful, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks y'all.